Happy Sunday, everybody. Hope everyone's had a wonderful weekend. Another episode of Forex Trader in Cars. And this is going to be an interesting topic today. I'm just out of my neighborhood Target, done with what I needed to do, and I figured, well, let's do it. It's Sunday afternoon here. The market's going to be opening up in a couple hours. So the title of this episode is, Not Everybody Should Be Trading. And you're probably thinking, whoa, Jeff, everything is positive, everything is upbeat, everybody can be a successful trader. Well, that's true, but you have to reach the point where you're ready to take direction, follow a guideline to be a successful trader. And not everyone is cut out to do that. And not everyone is at the stage where they're going to follow directions, right? Most people that join our trading community, I shouldn't say most, it's probably half and half. Half, no, they've never traded before. The other half, they have lots of experience trading, but they're not successful. And what I've come to find out is, and I'm a really optimistic person by nature. Anybody that joins our trading community can be a successful trader, and I still believe that. But some folks aren't ready to be a successful trader with us. The reason being is we do it a different way. Our trading community is going on 8 years next month. 8. You won't find another community online. You won't find another bot, an AI, another group, another company that's been around as long as we have. And the reason we've been around as long as we have is because we really, really care about your success. And I have been with the group almost the entire time. I have helped thousands of people answering questions in our communities that are on my personal team. Members that aren't on my personal team reach out to me. And there's so many success stories. But I want to tell you about one person, and this is not uncommon. Unfortunately, more people are like this than not. It's just they're not ready to be successful trading because they're just all over the place. So I'm going to talk about somebody. I'm not going to name his name or anything like that. And quite frankly, I hope he sees this, okay? I'm going to call him WB and not the Warner Brother Network. I'm going to call him WB. So WB joined us about 3 months ago. And of course, when you join us, I am going to give you step-by-step to get access to everything and exactly where to go, exactly what to do next, and don't deviate. It's like a highway. You want to be on the highway. You don't want to deviate off a frontage road and get on a different highway, okay? Because then you just go down a rabbit hole, okay? And that rabbit hole is unsuccessful trader. You got to follow what we lay out to do, all right? So I gave this person, by the way, he's no longer a teammate, and he hasn't answered my question, and I've sent him an email too. So, unfortunately, some people like to play the duck and dodge game, and it's sad, especially when you spend time helping folks, but that's just the way of the world, right? And you just have to move on to the next person. Maybe they see the light of day. Maybe they reach out and say, you know what, Jeff? My bad. Let me do it the right way, which is our way. And I really believe that. That's why we've been around 8 years. If we don't have successful people learning the skill of trading through the impulse scanner, the ATH RSI Indicator, then we wouldn't be around, okay? I learned how to trade when there was no scanner, when there was no indicator, nothing. Smart money, okay? Naked trading, all right? And I've helped so many folks that are now successful traders and have funded accounts, grown their own accounts, still with the community, successful, and just killing it. It's absolutely amazing. So going back to WB. Sorry, this is a longer episode. So going back to WB, all right? So WB joined our community, and we give folks a couple Google Docs. The first Google Doc is you go through a 90-minute webinar on getting started through one of our leaders. Every step-by-step, exactly what you need to do, goes through our entire community, the training, etc., what you should do next, etc. And then you get access to our private Facebook group, right? So if you're seeing this and you're in one of our groups, that's not a private group, you're not actually a teammate, okay? You need to get access to this and be a teammate. So WB got into 1,000, and I said, okay, now watch, you got to watch the webinar, right? And I think eventually he watched the webinar, and his first post said, all right, what does everybody think Ethereum's going to go? And I'm like, oh, we're in trouble, right? Instead of locked into the steps, right? Because when we give you the first document, you get into our private Facebook group, and then you watch our webinar, I give you a second document, which has all the training for the strategies that we focus on, and get access to our Discord community, which is at the top of this page, okay? And I knew we were in trouble. So we talk periodically, and like, you in Discord? I haven't been able to figure it out. Oh, it's jumping a lot of hoops. And I'm like, do you want to be a successful trader? And this is somebody who has traded before, but clearly has not been successful. Got to get into Discord. The reason you want to get into Discord is because of our amazing community. Members helping members, leaders helping members, leaders helping leaders, answering questions, looking at charts, posting in our win section, right? Successful trade after successful trade. And then during the sessions, all sessions, because we're a global community, people are posting charts. Hey, this looks like, it's getting ready to pop. Hey, the impulse scanner on the 5-minute, it's all trending in one direction, bullish. And then you wait for an ATH RSI indicator, not a buy or sell signal, but an indicator, and then you finish the rest of the strategy. So people are helping people. So there's a period of time that he didn't get back to me, and then he comes back and makes a comment in our private Facebook group. Oh, it works for some people, doesn't work for, others. Well, first of all, it works for anybody that does two things. Doesn't quit, which he did, and 2, follows what we lay out to do. He didn't do that. He never got into Discord. And this is after me pestering him. I even commented, I believe, in our private Facebook group, did you get into Discord yet? Because all kinds of wins are happening, okay? It's nonstop winning. Doesn't mean you won't lose trades. You will. No matter what strategy you have, you will lose trades. And he never got into Discord. Pulling up my hair, what I got left. You have to follow the directions. So he was all over the place. So he's somebody not ready to be a successful trader. And I knew it right away when he made that post. What do you guys think of Ethereum? That means you're just following trade signals, or you're just going with the flow. Everybody says buy. That's how you blow your account. So we lay out the proper steps, but you got to follow those steps. And if you don't, then your chance of success goes down. We have a proven model. So many people are so close to success. And because maybe you won a trade, maybe you lost a trade, right? Then he wanted my personal Telegram, and you're thinking that I'm calling out trades. I'm not calling out trades. There's all kinds of opportunities. We have an app through our company where vetted educators will call potential trade opportunities. If you need that as an additional resource while you learn our strategies, for sure. But he never got into the Discord community. He didn't see the success after the success. He didn't get back to me. I'm in Discord. I think he said he was having trouble getting into Discord. Okay, what's the problem, right? I can be technically challenged. And here's where I'm going to share something about get over being technically challenged. Way back when, this is 2008, and this is a few years after, I built a website from scratch. Nowadays, you just push a button. You can have a beautiful website and a few push buttons. I built one from scratch, through HTML. HTML. Does anybody remember HTML? I do. And I got on page 1 for tons and tons of keywords around home business, work at home, work from home, home-based business, tons. And then I flipped it in 2008 for big money. I knew nothing about building a website. I knew nothing about HTML. I just didn't give up, and I didn't quit. And when I joined this trading community, and I got about 40 seconds, so I better hurry. When I joined this trading community 8 years ago, I knew nothing about trading. Zippo. But I didn't quit, and I followed what the leadership lays out. And now I'm one of the leaders, okay? Follow the plan we lay out for you. Whether you're part of this community and see this, or joining our community and see this, all right? That's it. Reach me. Markets are opening soon. Let's have a great week. Bye for now.